hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey you guys, let me get in the lot. Let me get in the lot. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? I hope y'all doing well. Merry Christmas! Yes! Do the whoa with it. I'm guessing that's how you do it. Do the Egyptian. So duck has already cooked. I can't open that yet. I don't think so. Wait. Can I? No, I can't open that yet. So I have to wait for that to let loose. But he's cooked ham and some beef ribs. And yes. So now it's my turn to cook. I'm gonna cook some green beans with some bacon in them and some onions. I'm gonna cook some mashed potatoes and some potato salad, all that together. Some deviled eggs and some Brussels sprouts with some mushrooms and a little bit of green beans and potatoes in it with some onions also. So, and then we have macaroni cheese from Costco because it's just easier that way. Because of the year we have had, I'm hot, so I'm gonna open up my window. Because of the year we have had, we are trying to have a stress-free Christmas. So that is what's going on today. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope y'all enjoy all the footage that y'all will get, and let's get to it. Real quick, let me introduce myself. My name is Atoya, mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, and wife of Douglas. Yeah, I'm excited to get this started. Little cook with me today. Yes. And I hope y'all enjoy. All right, you guys.
Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize.
Alright, so right here in this clip, so as you see, beginning of the clip, Ezekia keeps putting water on the cutting board and she keeps rinsing it off. And then she puts a paper towel on the cutting board because she feels like it keeps getting starchy from the potatoes. I keep telling her, hey, stop wasting my water. 1, 2, it's okay. That's why we rinse the potatoes and stuff out. 3, cut all the way through the potatoes. But you know, kids gotta be kids. She's still learning. She's only 10, but she's doing the best she can. So y'all pray for me. Y'all just pray for me. I am sitting. This is week 7 of my healing. And it is Christmas Day, but so I actually went back to work a little too early on the 18th of December, and so I did that whole weekend, and then I had to go to my doctor, and I'm like, yeah, I'm still hurting, and he was like, okay, so I'm gonna take you out until the 3rd. So he took me out until the 3rd. I feel so much better. My stamina is coming back. So thank y'all so much for y'all prayers and for y'all good vibes and all y'all good thoughts and stuff. And yeah, all that good stuff. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription button if you like this video so far. And yeah, thank you guys.
Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration too and
Okay, so now I'm back. So I'm shelling eggs to make devil eggs. So I have this thing. If it's not all the way shelled, and you know sometimes it comes apart on the inside. I just eat the egg because it's good. Like, who doesn't like extra protein? I do, and eggs are a good essential part of extra protein. So yes, and they're only 15 calories. Yep. Hope you enjoy.
So far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
Okay, so I thought we had mayonnaise because for a long time we had the Costco size of Dukes mayonnaise, but I think we used the last of it in Thanksgiving. So
We could ask Dad for.
Oh yeah, we use the last of it for that tuna fish.
So we're going to go ahead and improvise and use some buttermilk ranch.
We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
Okay, so in the last clip, y'all saw Mimi. Rayne is in the very, very last clip because she was sweeping. So we get ready to get started on these in my house famous mashed potatoes done by me. My girls actually really like it when I make mashed potatoes. It's so funny. They love it. You'll see as Mamie come in and help me and mix it up, she'll start eating right there, which is hilarious to me. But so I'm using the immersion blender, and also there's a whole stick of butter. Yep, a whole stick of butter, immersion blender, some kosher salt, some pepper, and then some Presley flakes at the end. Oh, and then a cup of milk. And then and I like it thick and chunky. That like kind of like me, I'm thick and chunky. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this. And then after this, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription button down below. Make sure you like this video if you like this type of content. And then make sure you comment below who you are and where you're from. We appreciate you and all your information. Lord, like I'm at work. We appreciate you and all your support. It really means a lot to us. It's helping me show my girls how to be an entrepreneur, how to be a self-made woman. Thank you, Epidemic Sound, for that song. And and then we're gonna end out on one of my favorite songs. It's cold outside. That's what we're gonna end up on. So I want to tell y'all, thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all, love y'all as always, and continue to have a good year.
Alright, I'll come back with my plate.
So there's mashed potatoes, beef ribs, some carrots to go with the beef ribs, sweet potatoes, green beans, and macaroni and cheese. Merry Christmas, y'all.